Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, you're welcome. So guys, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I take this hair from natural black, hold on, to this beautiful highlighted Sierra Beyonce inspired look. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, you already know the deal. Continue watching, and if you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share this video, okay? Let's get into it already. Alright guys, so the method I'm going to be using to do my base is called soak method, and I actually learned that from the hair diagram. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, you're missing out. Go subscribe, you learn a lot. So I'll be using 20 volume developer from iTest. I'll be using BW2 bleach powder. So I actually didn't measure, to be honest with you guys, but I think I did about 3 scoops right there. And I'm going to pour in some developer, and I'm also going to pour in some shampoo. Okay, so this method, the shampoo, what the shampoo does is to limit the strength of the developer so it doesn't bleach too much. So if you're that type who is looking for honey brown, if you're looking to bleach your hair honey brown, this method is good. Okay, like, it's easy, anybody can do this. Okay, trust me, you can do it, sis. So guys, I'm going to share my mistake with you guys. So for some reason, my vendor, by the way guys, this hair is from my hair collection. My clients bought this hair from me about 2 years ago, and it was time for us to change our look, you know. So yes, we did. That's why we're doing this color. So for some reason, their closure, the hair on the closure usually lighten than the weft itself, you know. It takes bleach faster than the weft. So yeah, I did get the closure lighter than what I want, which I'm going to correct that. So I don't know the hair that you're going to be working with, so I'm just sharing my mistake with you guys. So if your vendor's closure usually lighten, take bleach faster than the weft, you might want to pour in the mixture first on the weft and wait for like 10 minutes before you go in to apply it on the closure. Okay, so yes, and I'm just basically pouring, you know, applying it, combing the hair, making sure that all the strands of the hair get the bleach. Okay, I opened it up, you know, brushed through, and I left it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to wash it with purple shampoo, you know. Yes, please continue watching, and I'll be back to tell you guys the process. Okay. Okay. So guys, you want to make sure you wash thoroughly. Make sure you get all the bleach out of the hair. You don't want to damage your hair. Open it up, wash. Take your time to wash it. Okay, just take your time to wash. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Yes. So now I'm going to go in with my purple shampoo, you know, to take out any brassiness from the hair. I left the purple shampoo in there for 10 minutes. You guys can see the hair, it's looking lighter, especially the closure. It's looking lighter than what I want. Like, it's looking lighter than the base that I want. So I will correct that, and you guys will see that in a bit. So right now I'm going to section out the area where I want to highlight right there. Okay, and that's just me taking out the measurements, seeing how it's gonna look, you know. just making sure I have enough hair to highlight for the look that I'm going for. So I'm preparing my foil paper, you know, just cutting out some of them that I'll be needing. So right there, I'm going to fold up my foil paper so it can stick to the mannequin head. Okay. So as you guys can see, I'm applying the bleach. So by the way, guys, I mixed 40 volume developer and bleach powder. This time around, I did not add no shampoo. Okay, it's just 40 volume developer bleach powder. So yeah, and as I was applying it, I was avoiding the root area because I still want that dark roots right there. I do not want the roots to be light, so I did avoid the roots. And now I'm just gonna go ahead to apply my bleach powder, and as I'm getting up, like I kind of angled my brush because I don't want that sharp look. So yeah, I'm combing through to make sure every strand of the hair get the bleach. You see the way I angled my brush? Yes, that's how you want to go. So on the other side, I'm just going to try to measure to know where to start applying the bleach on the other side as well, so it's uniform. If one doesn't look high and the other one looking low. You understand what I mean, right? Yes, you do. If you don't, ask me a question in the comment down below. I will answer you. I'm always here to answer you guys. Alright guys, so I left the bleach on there for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I went back in to wash and also applied my purple shampoo. Left the purple shampoo in there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I rinsed it out. And yes, we're going to proceed to the next level. So now this is how it's looking. Okay, so right now I'm not so satisfied. Like some of them didn't really lighten, like the ones at the back, the ones I applied last, they didn't lighten the way that I wanted. So I'm going to go in with bleach and 40 volume developer one more time to correct any area that I need to correct. Okay. So as you guys can see, the base is not as dark as I want it, so I'm going to go in with my Revlon I think 41 brown to darken the roots, like not just the root, the base. Like I really want the base color to be dark. So yeah, as you guys can see, especially the top part is really light. I don't want that. So I'm just applying the Revlon dye, you know, honey brown. I'm going to attach the particular one I use, but like I said, this process can be avoided. I actually do have another way that I did this type of look. I will upload that video for you guys, that you don't have to go in, you know, correcting and all of that, but you can avoid it by not probably, I don't know, like I said, it depends on the hair that you're working with. If your vendor's closure do take bleach faster than the actual tracks, the weft, so yeah, you might not have to go in with this. Okay, so I left it there for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I went ahead to wash and also apply purple shampoo again. And now to tone it, I'm going to be using Wella Toners NG, okay, 9 NG. I follow the manufacturer's instruction on how to mix it. That's 1 part of the toner to 2 parts of 20 volume developer. Okay, so yeah, and I use 2 of that. Wait guys, sorry, I used 1 actually, because I only want to tone the area where I have the highlights. Okay, so I used 1, not 2. Sorry about that, guys. So I followed manufacturer instruction. I left the toner there for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I washed it with purple shampoo and apply silicone mix and conditioner. So whenever you bleach your hair, you know, you always want to take care of the hair by applying silicone mix and conditioner. I left it for good 48 hours. Yes, whenever I bleach hair, I always want to take care of the hair. Proper maintenance is the key to long lasting hair. So after that, after 48 hours, I washed it out, you know, then style it, and there you go. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was helpful. If you do like it, please guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, sis, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, okay, for more content like this. So afterwards, I went ahead to style the hair. I do have other videos on my channel showing you guys how to style your hair, how to curl your hair. You can check that out, guys, okay? You will love it. You will love my videos. You don't have choice, because you love me and I know you do. And guess what, guys? I love you. So So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you do like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video to anyone that may be interested. Bye my loves. Mwah.